everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how I did these Snow White theme goodie boxes and these apple also for the goodie boxes and Snow White theme. I have this cake topper which I don't show you in this video, but if you want me to show you how I did this simple cake topper, comment down below. I got most of my things from Amazon and Dollar Tree, so let's get started. It's very simple and really easy, and they look very nice and cute. And we have the colors of the Snow White, the yellow skirt, the blue kind of a shirt top, of course the apple for her bow, and the apple in her red lips. So yeah, let's get started to the DIY. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. If you already did, thank you very much, and let's get to the craft. How I'm going to be doing my daughter's third birthday Snow White theme goodie box in this case instead of the goodie bag. I originally had bought these other baggies from the Dollar Tree that are like these, but this also could work if you do a piñata. You can give these baggies to pick up the candy from when they hit the piñata, and they pick up their candy in these kinds of bags, and then they get these other extra goodie box, which on this goodie box I mostly put like an actual big candy bar, some chips maybe, and a little funky toy or something like that. This is more like a little takeaway home kind of a thing. And as you can see, it's this box. I bought these on Amazon. They do come like this in a packet of 24. Is it 24? Yes. 24 treat boxes, bright yellow. They do have in other colors, and I can't remember how much they were at the minute, but I will put it here or down in the description box. If I remember, we'll put it. And this is how I'm going to be making them. You obviously will need this. You will need cardstock, paper, and as you can see, we're going to be cutting apples. If I did cut my apples in my Cricut, if you don't have a Cricut, you can obviously cut them yourself, like draw it and cut it with scissors, or look for an apple sticker and then put it here. And then I'm going to be using these sheets, which is glitter paper from Jot. It has 3 in a pack. On this packet from the Dollar Tree, they do have an adhesive bag. I didn't notice when I bought these that they had an adhesive bag. I thought they were just paper, but they came in really handy. So for this one, I did cut my apples already on my Cricut, like I told you, on the cardstock, and then I made 6-inch long stripes by 1/2 inch width. And this is what we're going to be doing. Since they do come in a sticker, I'm just going to simply stick the back and stick it right in the center. But if you don't have a sticker back, you can obviously glue it. Whoopsie, you can obviously glue it. You can see it's very glittery, and as you know, Snow White does have these 3 colors. I did do this cake topper as well, but I didn't do a video how I did it. Maybe if you guys are interested, I can do a video on that as well. But you can see I'm playing with these 3 colors, yellow, or let's say gold, red, and blue. So I'm going to be putting the stripe right on the center of my box, and I'm just using the front really. If you really want to do all the way around, it's up to you, but I don't want to waste as much of my glittery thing because I only have 1 sheet, so that's why I'm not doing that. And then right in the center, I'm going to be adding our apple. And look at how cute it looks already. You can obviously do it with hard glue or simply with a sticker, with a sticky back, or just glue it to the back of the apple. I'm going to be using these liquid silicone. I did bought this in Mexico when I went to Mexico. It is silicone, and it's called silicone, they call it. In Spanish it says silicón líquido, and it's basically hot glue, but not hot, which I love it because I most of the time I get burned. So I'm going to be putting my glue there, and then putting my apple. I can do it straight, but I'm gonna do it a little bit to the side, just like that. You could have also done the leaf green, but I thought I didn't think I should have done it like that. So look at that. You can simply leave it like that, or you can add the edge of them here, or you can write it, or you can put it with a pencil or a marker. You can add their name, Leila, or anything that you like. I think they look super cute like that. Look at that. They're easy to make. Look, I'll show you how they come just like this. They come just flat like that, and you just simply push it and they kind of get locked on the bottom. You can see. Look at that. And then, whoopsie, I pushed it back. Look, I wanted you to see that. They get locked in here, so you can push it, and now it's complete. And to close these get together, and then right on the side they have a little slit to cut through. You can push it and it comes out just like that, and then you have your box already made. If it keeps on wanting to get down, they're obviously going to stay in place whenever you put the candies or whatever you put in the box in there. If they don't stay put, then you can put a little bit of piece of tape there. But look at that. So simple to make. I'm gonna do one more for demonstration purposes. Look at that. I get my strip. I place it. This one came a little bit short. Let me see if I can unstick it. Oh, voila, I can unstick it. I'm going to guess my center. There you go. Much better. I'll get my apple. I'm gonna make sure I do it on the same way. The leaves go on the same way. This liquid silicone, cold silicone, I don't know if they sell it for another name here in Amazon or whatever, but I did bought this in Mexico, and I brought myself 3 bottles of it. And they do help me a lot with my piggy banks that I sell. I put the rates with that. But look at that. They look so cute, don't they? Yay! Well, that is that for the little craft. Very easy, and they look very Snow White-ish, and it's really simple to make, and you don't have to. The boxes are all done and nice. Okay, the second project, or the other project that I wanted to show you, are these apples that I also found at Amazon. Look, I already kind of made them because I made a photo shoot for my daughter with the apples, but they do come like this. They do come like this, and then you have to make it with the leaves and all. Now these were also from Amazon. I will link everything down below. And these are plastic. These are like an inch and a half, or almost 2 inches, and they open, and you can put whatever you want in there. They lock in pretty well. The leaf is removable. That's how they came. The leaf is removable, and it's also plastic, and you can just pop it in there, and it looks really cute. For this one, for it to not fall off if they do, I'm going to be centering them in a basket, and inside I'm going to be putting candy in it, or maybe a little toy. I'm not sure for the moment, but for these I want to make a 3, and the 3 I want to make it with the glitter paper. So for this one as well, we're going to be needing our glitter gold paper from the Dollar Tree, because I want to stick the gold paper in there. Or if you have a cardboard glitter paper, as well, you can also cut your threes by themselves and just stick it in there. Look at how pretty. And I'm going to cut a 3 because Layla is going to turn 3 and I want to stick the number 3 right here so it looks really standing out next to the apple and next to the boxy right here, so it'll look nice. So we're going to go cut our 3 on our Cricut really quick, and then we'll be right back. Okay, and there you have it. I have the 3 here. Is it focusing? And I just place it on the apple right under the line where the apple is going to open. Here I have a clean one. I have all of my 3s over here that I cut already. And remember, this is like a sticker. You can find this at the Dollar Tree. And if you're gonna do this, I recommend for you to go in advance and try to look for it, unless you find this in Amazon, which I don't know. I did got these at the Dollar Tree. And look it, see, it's simple. You can also use this as goodie bags if you wanted to. You can put this one in a bag and then zip it up as well as the ones from the Dollar Tree. Those ones that I showed you, for those of you guys that wanted these ones to show in a goodie bag, if you use one of these for a goodie bag, you can obviously don't need to use the star for it. If you want to, you can just bend it right at the middle of it, and instead of maybe instead of cutting a 3 or a number size of a thing, cut a sticker of an apple, a golden apple, and then stick it there, and then that becomes your goodie bag in this color or the green color. I got the green color. They have other colors as well. I just got the green and the red for boys and the girls. If you do that, then you can swap on this one and then do the green bags with the red apples or the gold one as well. It comes out really nice if you were to do that. Right here on the boxes, before I leave, I did ended up cutting an L, a glittery L, and putting that on where I have my apple. I have one right here. Then I have an L. Let me get an L from over here. This one with the Cricut, it gave a little bit of trouble here because it is really thin. But look at this. We have this. You can put the L or the letter or the initial of your daughter, your son, or the one that is having the birthday. You can have that, or you can also, like, if you don't want it a letter, you can add a number. Hold on a second, my things are falling. You can add a number, like if you wanted a number like this. Look at the 3. It also looks really nice, and it says it's 3. You can have a 3, or you can have the letter. Look at that. 3 or the L or the initial comes really nicely. I think for to be personal more, the letter comes a bit handy. You can put the 3 right next to it in a different color if you wanted to. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today for the SnowWhite theme goodie bags. Remember, I found the apples in Amazon, as well as the yellow boxes, and then the glittery paper I found it at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and the cardstock, you can also find the cardstock at Amazon as well. Right here I did all of my other boxes without having to build the box like that. If it gets bulky, you can simply leave them like this, and it becomes all nice and pretty. And remember, if you guys want me to show you how to do one of these, comment down below and I can do a video how to do it. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below if you liked it, and if you wanted for me to do a cake topper. That is all. Click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.